That's the baso with the baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and a red food coloring. And wait.
Alis ka muna. Baka mamatay ako sa takot. Bito ka na ba?
Yeah, kanina pa.
Sige mo naman yan, mga...
Sabi kay niya, mag-video na daw ako.
Dali. Lapit mo na muna, Angel. Ready na ano. Teka muna yan.
Ako na, go na. Nakaano na yan.
Naka-focus na?
Ako.
Teka muna. Ano mo naman yung experiment mo? Focus mo siya. Describe your experiment.
This is a volcanic
Simple
eruption.
experiment of volcanic eruption.
I made this in my classroom. I was watching my teacher.
Okay.
Naglagay ako ng baking
Ano
soda.
ingredients yan?
Baking soda, on
What's this
joy,
one?
and food coloring.
You want to add more joy? But that's
Okay.
enough. This one.
Yan.
These are joy.
Adik kayo.
Few drops nga lang yun.
Okay.
Okay, and this is vinegar. Pag nilagay ko to,
To explode.
it will explode in
Like a
100
volcanic
pieces.
eruption. Can you push it slowly? Or automatic?
Bibilisan.
Okay.
One,
Wait. You will put it there para pag sumabog siya.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Sorry, pinababad nito ang ano.
Nakabahan ako.
Oh!
Cool!
Ang galing!
Cool eruption!
Nakapila to mo!
Ma! Volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption! Ang galing! Orange siya, oh. Now, that is Mount Mayon.
Tapos na.
Dapat inawan niyo
kami ng ano pa. Ano, stop ko na?
Sige, okay, go.